Hello everyone, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your friend African Queen present in this talk show right now. As you can see, um I don't feel good concerning what is going on in Nigeria right now, because of the killing and the riot and people perishing, at the same time people missing. So I don't really know if there is leaders actually in Nigeria, because if there is leaders, there is good quality of leaders that they're supposed to know. And when a leader is not getting those qualities, it's not working out right. It doesn't go well. So I'm seizing this opportunity today to let them know that I'm not happy with leaders in Nigeria. And the worst thing that they are doing now is trying to destroy NNAMDI KANU. They want to tarnish the name of NNAMDI KANU, whereas they don't understand what a leader means. A leader means a lot to the country. A leader means a lot to the community. A leader means a lot to the people. They should stop tarnishing the name of NNAMDI KANU. I'm warning them today, and it's the last time I'm warning them. They should leave this guy alone. Instead of them continue to tarnish his name, let them support him. Let them support him, because what he is doing is the right thing to protect the people. We cannot just form our hand like this and be looking at them and be watching what is happening in Nigeria, and people are being destroyed, people are missing every day. That is not right. So they have to do something about it. Let them leave NNAMDI KANU alone. If NNAMDI KANU is not a leader, he will not be doing this. He will not do this. They don't understand position of leaders. A leader is being born. I know they can create it, but when a leader is born, he can't hold it back. It's like a fire all over him all the time. He's thinking, how can I do things better? How can I protect my people? My people are perishing. The real leaders, they don't even sleep, because they are thinking every day on how to get things right. And one thing they choose to forget is that every leader is born by a woman, and every man is also born by a woman. So we can't keep quiet. We scream every day. From the labor room, we are screaming. We are in pain, nurturing a child to become a man, still nurturing a man to be a leader, still protecting a man while in leadership. But in my country, Nigeria, they will turn it to another thing. Oh, do you want to follow men and walk around? We are not following men. We are women that work with men to get things straight. Those women you are saying, oh, you want to follow men around. They don't even have time to follow men around. They want to work with men to put things in order, to put things straight, to make sure no one is perishing and no child is left behind. That's women with integrity, dignity, and passion. And they cannot stand to see a great man fall, because their spirit will be disturbed all the time. How can I help this man to achieve his goal? But sometimes our men in Nigeria, they don't understand it. They're like, what am I going to take your advice for? You're a woman, sit down and shut up. I don't need your advice. But we still understand that they don't realize what it takes to be a man. Because behind every man, behind every successful man, there must be a good woman. That's one thing they forget. That is the reason why sometimes the man you dated will not be the man that will marry you. Sometimes, the man that wants to marry you want a good woman. A woman that will uplift him. The same thing applicable to a woman with integrity and dignity and passion. They also need a man that will not bring them down, that will not stop them to take care of the community, that will not stop them to take care of the less privileged, that will not stop them to take care of those in need, that will not stop them to speak for both rich and the poor, and who are ready to eradicate poverty in the land. I warn them once again, they should stop disturbing NNAMDI KANU. Rather, let them support him physically, financially, and spiritually. That's what he needs. We need to protect NNAMDI KANU. We cannot let him suffer. So wherever you are, if you love NNAMDI KANU, you have to support him. Look at what is happening in Nigeria today. I went to Google and asked Google. My children sometimes, they're like, Mom, ask Google everything you want to ask Google. Google will tell you. I say, you really mean it? They say, Mom. I say, don't forget, I'm from the village. And every time I look over there, I'm like, what is happening to my people in the village? So I chose to ask Google. And when I Google it, I say, Google, please, can you tell me the qualities of a good leader? He said, sure, that's not a problem. Type it in right there and click it. That's what I did. And he said, honesty, integrity, ability to be trusted and empowered, communicative, collaborative and connected, positive energy, confident, commitment and persistence, willingness to learn, unlearn, and relearn. That's what I told you guys, that we keep on learning. Education is a process. A leader is also ready to learn from anyone who can teach him or her. Entrepreneur, creative, innovative, intuitive, and ability to inspire. Our people are perishing back home. A lot of talent perishing. Nobody to encourage them. No one to inspire them. They will rely on one thing. If they want to be a nurse, they're focusing on being a nurse. Whereas they can sew, they can be a tailor, they can create, they can dance, they can do so many things. But no one to let them know you are able to do this. But today, I am grateful for social media that God created based on what he said in Exodus 31, that he has given them the brain and sense and wisdom to create all this, for us to be able to express our feelings, our pain today. Without YouTube, will I be saying this? Without Google, will I stand here? Without Facebook, can we hear NNAMDI KANU? Without Twitter, are we going to know what is going on in the government? If I don't mention your name, don't get it twisted. I'm just the girl from the village. I don't know all of it. I just know a few. YouTube is my first platform. But I say, may God protect and bless them, for them to give us this opportunity to express our feelings. Mothers are in pain. If you don't understand the meaning of mothers, they are almost everything in the family. They are taking care of husband, care of kids, care of everything, washing, cleaning, in pain, checking. Oh, how is my children? Where are they? Are they in school? Are they coming back? Are they home? Are they eating? Are they eating? Okay, have you eaten? Only the same woman. And you don't want us to scream. You don't want us to shout. You don't want us to let the world know that something is wrong in Nigeria, and they are still keeping quiet. And they call themselves leaders around the world. Do you want the same thing that is happening in Nigeria to happen in another country? So how will you prevent it? Since you know that prevention is better than cure. Look into Nigeria. Fight what is happening in Nigeria. Stop what is happening in Nigeria. You want to tell me that Nigeria will be one? Now let's prove them wrong. Nigeria cannot be one. Biafra need their freedom. Biafra need to go. Let them set Biafra free if they want peace in Nigeria. Why am I saying this? The number one, on 14th April 2014, Boko Haram militant attacked a government secondary boarding school in Chiboku. 276 students they captured. Did you ask yourself, what did they do to those children? Did you ask yourself the feeling or the pain that those children went through? You don't know. You negotiate with them and bring some back, and some are still missing. 112 still missing. So who is ruling the country? Boko Haram, or the president, or the people? Then another thing that I want to prove to you that Nigeria cannot be one is that in 2017, 100 students, Nigerian girls, kidnapped, nowhere to be found. Up till now, mothers are crying, fathers are crying. Do you still want Nigeria to be one? According to Al Jazeera News, over 300 school boys attacked in Katsina. They are still missing. You still want to tell me Nigeria will be one? Let's prove you wrong again. They slaughtered the farmers in Borno State, 110 of them. Are you still saying there will be one? I don't think so. The Lekki shooting, target shooting, they denied it. But with the help of social media, we figured it out. Is Nigeria going to be one again? Can you answer my question? Be fast. Don't waste my time. Is Nigeria going to be one again? Come on now. If you don't know Biafrans or the Igbos, it's not that we are looking for war or we want division, but we need peace, freedom, and unity. We cook in one pot and eat together in one pot. If you don't know your history, in the book, Know Your History Through Revelation, we are the tribe of Judah. We are the children of David tribe. We are the children of Israel. And guess what? When the Lord is picking a leader, he don't care which mother or which pregnancy born the leader. He cares about who can give them the knowledge, the wisdom, the retentive memory to rethink and check if what they are doing are right. When God picked up David, he did not ask whether David is fat or big or small. He chose David because of his intelligence, wisdom, and understanding. David was picked. And the children of Israel supported David. You can check it out in the book of 1 Samuel. Yes, in 1 Samuel 17. Igbos, for so many people that don't know much why the Igbos, they wear the lion's head, or some call it tiger's head, lion's head, whichever one. So if you check the history very well, they are the tribe of Judah. The same blood with David that tear the lion into two with bare hand. Those days they used to call my mother the lioness. Adago. The father's name is KANU. And one thing I'm understanding, KANU is one everywhere. Doesn't matter where they are. And they call KANU the lion. They call him the lion because when he wrestles with you, his back don't touch the floor. They will tell you, drop the weapon. That's Igbos. Those days, drop the weapon. Let's do it with hand. Let's bust it out. Yes. Please, we need peace. Everyone deserves peace. Everyone deserves peace. in that country. The Eastern Region Security Network that they have now, all you're supposed to do is to support them. Support them to protect the children, to protect the mothers, and to protect those who are also protecting us. Financially or otherwise. Anyhow you can support them. For that protection is to save life. Nobody wants to see life perishing. It doesn't sound good. Look at what coronavirus have done this time around the world. Do you still want more atrocities? And they still think that Nigeria have leaders that can save people in that land? With all these things that happen with Lekki shooting and everything destroying the Igbo's business, tearing down the business they build with their own money, telling them they want to build modern market. That's nonsense. Please, let the leaders, both around the world and in Nigeria, support Nnamdi Kanu. Don't tarnish him. Don't destroy his name. Please protect him. He is a leader because he has the quality to be a leader. If he is not born to do this, he will not be doing it. Love comes from the heart, not the head. When he burns in his heart, showing the love that he has for people, he's crying. He's in pain. You don't know. He will get inside and cry. He have lost so many things because of this battle. The mother and father is gone because of this. And the whole world is still keeping quiet. People are still perishing in Nigeria. We can't take this anymore. It is time for the leaders around the world to wake up. It is time for them to do something. Enough is enough. Yes, the time I came to United States, I went straight to join the military. But my fat body, my fat neck disappointed me. That day, I said, hi, I wish I own a fitness center where anybody who wants to join the military will be direct to go and get their fitness free since you want to serve the country. Lose your weight there and come back. We are waiting for you. Get your weight fit, free. But I was not opportune to do that. Was not able to do anyway. And that was by the way, till now. But when I look them, I just pray for them. Because even the soldiers, the armies, the military man, they also need protection, right? Of course, yes. They have families. So everybody needs protection. And that will let you know that all life matters. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter what name you are bearing. Save life first. That should be our motto. It matters a lot. Let's eradicate hate, discrimination, racism, sabotalization is too much. Protect our people. Let Nigerian leaders wake up. Mothers are crying. And let them know that as a leader is standing out there, we are mothers. It doesn't matter how little we are. They are our brothers, fathers, son, leader, but we are mothers. Let them know that every man is born by a mother. There is so much pain in mother's heart. Thank you, guys. Let everyone like, share, comment, and make sure that everyone protect our leader, NNAMDI KANU. And with that being said, NNAMDI KANU, we cherish your good work. We love you. We thank you for all you have been doing to protect our people. We will not let you down. Our prayers are with you. We guide you every day by day. The angels and the Spirit of the Lord, they are with you. Be protected and remain blessed. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye-bye.